everybody, and welcome to another Robcast, Revenge of the Nerd podcast, con review edition. Hey, everybody! Wow, it's been a minute since. That's what the kids say nowadays, right? A minute. It's been a month or so, but I guess a minute. Anyway. Yeah, it's been a while since the last review. It's been a while since the last video, but here I am back again with a con review of, as the thumbnail suggested, Collector Con 2025. And yeah, this was in wonderful Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, Canada. And wow, what a wonderful day. What a wonderful con. I have to say again, these cons at the Quattro Hotel, organized by Michael Turcotte and Beth Turcotte of Vintage Games Junk in Sault Ste. Marie, are fantastic cons. Now, before I get to the more detailed explanation of the con and more of a meaty review, I just wanted to say, guys, please, I've installed at like 300 and some odd subscriptions, and I'm like, man, I hope I get some traction pretty soon, but hopefully you guys subscribe to the channel. I would really love that. It really will help me to create more content. So please subscribe to the channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with, the algorithm and getting other people to see this video and other videos like it. That I do. I think con reviews are very important to a lot of people, vendors, artists, just even people who go to cons to buy stuff. It's a huge thing. I think people really want to know what happens at cons and even how to navigate them and which cons are really good ones. So getting back to this one. Wonderful con. Like I said, it was done at it was held at the Quattro Hotel ballroom in Sault Ste. Marie. It was a beautiful day. Loading in was easy, as it always is at that Quattro Hotel, which I believe Michael and Beth Turcotte, who I mentioned are the organizers, are sort of planning to kind of hold it there, I think, more often, where it was previously held at the Bushplane Museum there, which was also a great venue, which was also a fantastic venue. It was kind of right on the waterfront, I guess. But this one is really good too, and I think the loading in is great, which is a huge, it's a big concern, man. Loading in and out ease is a thing. I've been to cons where I've had to go upstairs with 150-pound bins, and I'm the lucky one because I only have 4 bins of gear, and that is tons of stuff, where other people have way more than I do. And if you're a vendor who has a comic book long box, if you're a comic book vendor and if you've got a long box, man, those things are heavy. And wow, if you have to carry a bunch of those upstairs or downstairs, that is horrible. That'll screw up your day, man. So anyway, this con and the cons held at the Quattro Hotel Ballroom, the ease of getting in and out is very good, and which is very thankful to just doing cons, man. You don't want to be drenched in sweat, sitting in your chair waiting for people to come to your table. So anyway, that was great, as it always is. There was food. There was I was right next to the food, which was I didn't eat any because I don't really eat that kind of rich food anymore. I'm getting on in years, so I gotta watch that kind of stuff. But oh my goodness, I think the food vendor that was there did incredibly well, because man, the whole place smelled wonderful. I think everyone did really well. I had talked to a few people and have heard firsthand from others who did really well. I did fantastically well. However, it was a small dip from the very last con that they had there, which was before Christmas. It was last October, I believe. And I mean, you know, what can you say? Like, I think that con, the one in October, did so well because it was, you know, before Christmas, and you know, a number of factors lead people to spend more, you know, before Christmas on gifts, right? Also, it was a beautiful day, and you know, for cons, that isn't always necessarily a good thing. I was at a con last week where it was raining, and it was like really, really well attended because, hey, people don't want to do things in the rain. Yesterday was a beautiful day and super sunny, and from what I understand, the Sault has been hit with a very, very bad winter. Like, I think everybody got the short end of the stick on the winter thing. I know we did here in Northern Ontario, and I think everybody kind of did, right? I don't think anybody was safe from winter this year, so I think that made, like, the attendance maybe not as great as, and again, I'm comparing it only to itself in October, as robust, let's say. However, I did do fantastically well, like I said. I've got absolutely no complaints. The place was packed. Wonderful vendors, like so many different types of vendors too. I was a little short on the comic books, comic book vendors this year, unfortunately, and I brought my comic book, my book of things I need to buy, but I'm a degenerate comic book collector, so, you know, there's never enough. But that's kind of the long and short of this con, guys. It was really good. There was a pre-party the night before, I guess for folks who went into town earlier from out of town to attend the con and or vend at the con. But if you're a vendor, I would highly suggest contacting Michael and Beth at Vintage Games and Junk. And seeing if you would be a good candidate for being there the next time they have another con. I know I would love to be back. I will do my best to be back. I think I will probably be welcomed back, I hope. I've developed a pretty good fan base in the Sault as a result of just being there since I think day one. Day one was they had held this convention in a garage of all places, a large like, I think, industrial garage. But my goodness, it was amazing from that day forward. I don't think I've ever gone to a convention there, whether it's a collector con or a nerd con. One of their collector cons or nerd cons, that was not good. They've always been fantastic, and I commend them for that. They do an awful lot of promo videos. Their videos are fun too. And if you're in the Sault any other time, check out Vintage Games and Junk. I think they're on Queen. I might be wrong about that, but I think they're on Queen Street in the Sault. Don't quote me on that. I think they are. I'm not sure. If Michael or Beth, if you want to correct me in the comments below, please do. Tell people where you are. They have an amazing store. I can't wait to go back to pilfer the comics. Yeah, they deserve all the business in the world, and they're great people. So, guys, thank you again. Everyone watching, thank you so much for watching. Like I was sort of on bended knee at the beginning of this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like this video. And please, guys, if you have any comments too, did you like the video? Did you not like the video? Do I leave out any information that you'd like to have or know about in the next video where I review a con? Are there things as a vendor that you'd like to sort of know? Things that I may be leaving out. Those things are important, and if you'd like to know about them, I'd like to tell you about them. So please leave your comments in the comment section below, of course. And until next time, which will be soon. This time I can actually say that. I bid you guys adieu. Thank you so much for watching. All the love and best wishes, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.